your dog. Wow. Drink water. Oh, and bad for this area. That's from Houston. Nice water. Very, very well.